Please start by watching a few short
This is
animation clips.
amazing!
Can someone please help me?
Thank you. As a reward, I'll take you to find the glowing deer. Did you go to play today? To the woods, Mama. It was so much fun.
The animation clips you just saw are excerpts from animations I created earlier. The characters stay consistent, the lip sync looks natural, and the overall visual style is unified. Did you know that this entire animation, from script writing to video generation and export, was made using free or free-tier AI tools? This toolset solves some of the biggest pain points, like characters changing faces, styles shifting unexpectedly, and lip sync not matching. If you've run into these issues before, or if you want to try creating a high-quality animation at zero cost, then you'll definitely want to watch this video all the way through. I'll walk you step by step through the entire process, from creation to generation to final export, in a true end-to-end workflow. All right, let's officially get started. First, let's quickly go over the AI tools we'll be using today. There aren't many, but when combined, they solve most common animation challenges. The first tool is ChatGPT. We mainly use it to brainstorm stories, organize scripts, break scenes into storyboards, and generate the AI prompts we'll need later. The second tool is Gemini 3. If you're not already a Gemini user, I recommend signing up for the Google One free trial or the Google Business trial. You can easily find sign-up guides online. After signing up, you'll get a 30-day trial period. The included AI credits are more than enough for learning. You'll get about 100 Nano Banana Pro image credits per day, plus 1,000 AI video credits valid for 1 month. Images are easy. You'll want to save those video credits. For video generation today, we'll use Google Veo 3.1 Fast. Its biggest advantage is that it automatically handles lip sync, so you don't need any extra lip sync software. An 8-second video only costs 20 credits, and 1,000 credits is more than enough to practice and produce a short animated video. The final tool is CapCut, which we'll use for editing and assembling everything. Normally, if you use Pro features, exporting requires a subscription, and Pro features are often needed. I'll focus on showing you how to export your finished video for free, which is what most CapCut users care about. In short, if you follow the tutorial step by step, you'll be able to complete everything smoothly. So the full animation workflow you're seeing today, from story creation to video generation and export, is essentially done at zero cost. Now let's officially move into the creation process. Gemini can also be used for story ideas. In Gemini 3, I typed, "Please help me write a story about a child's adventure in the forest." As you can see, the script is generated very quickly. It's a story about courage, friendship, and the wonders of nature, and it's even organized into chapters. We can keep interacting with the AI to refine the story and prompts until we're fully satisfied. Next, I ask the AI to generate reference image prompts for the 3 recurring characters in the story, Pipi, the rabbit, and the glowing deer, to ensure visual consistency. Using those character prompts, I run Nano Banana Pro to generate reference images. I usually generate several options for each character and pick the one I like best. This is the selected reference image for Pipi. On the right is the rabbit's reference image, along with a screenshot of the generation process. And this is the selected reference image for the glowing deer. I generate images and videos through Google Flow, where I call Nano Banana and Veo separately. Personally, I find Google Flow's interface better for visual work. Some images or videos can be generated directly from prompts, like the 3 character images earlier, as well as the video shown in this screenshot. Others require using character reference images, or even referencing images that were generated earlier. The goal here is simple: to maximize character consistency across different scenes. Next, I ask the AI to generate storyboard descriptions, matching SRT subtitles, and AI prompts for each scene. Once we have the storyboard prompts, we're ready to make the videos. There are 3 main video generation methods: text to video, image to video, and reference-based video generation. Text to video generates video directly from prompts. Image to video uses a start frame, an end frame, or both. And reference-based video uses prompts together with reference images. We also need to set the aspect ratio, 16:9 for horizontal videos, 9:16 for vertical videos, and choose how many videos to generate each time. For videos, I usually generate just one first to check the result before regenerating. For images, I generate 2 or 4, since image credits refresh daily. We also need to select the video model. As mentioned earlier, choose Veo 3.1 Fast. During video generation, the model may automatically generate audio. If you want more control, you can write the dialogue directly into the prompt. Now I'll demonstrate the video generation process using quick and efficient screen captures. This is the screen for adding reference images. If the image has already been uploaded, you can select it from the cloud library. Otherwise, click Upload in the top left corner to add it from your computer. This is the text-to-video interface. This is the reference-based video interface using one reference image. This is reference-based video using 2 reference images. To link them, simply describe the relationship directly in the prompt. It's very straightforward. If 2 scenes feel too abrupt, you can add a transition. For example, I added a sunny to fog transition, so Pipi appears naturally in the fog. Once all video clips are generated, we move to the final step and hand everything over to CapCut for assembly. In CapCut, we simply organize the video clips, subtitles, and music. No complex effects are needed. Here I'll extract key segments from a previous tutorial video to demonstrate how to export the final video. The video used in this demonstration includes Pro features. If I try to export now, I'll see a Join Pro prompt. Now comes the moment of truth. Here's what you need to do. First, hide any unnecessary tracks and select all the remaining tracks on the timeline. Right-click the main track and choose Create Compound Clip. After the new clip is created, right-click the new compound clip and choose Pre-process Compound Clip. Wait until the pre-processing reaches 100%. The processing time depends on your system performance and the length of the clip. You might think that's enough, but if you try to export now, it still won't work. There's one more critical step. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type App Data and press Enter. Navigate to the local folder. Then open the CapCut folder. Next, go into User Data, then Projects, and finally com.elveditor.draft. Find your project folder. It will most likely include a recent date in the name. Inside that folder, open Resources, then Combination. Here, locate the MP4 video file whose file name does not include the word alpha. Drag this MP4 file directly into your CapCut media library. Next, drag the newly imported video onto the main timeline. Then delete the original compound clip you created earlier from the timeline. Try to export again, and export button appearing, you can export for free. If you still can't export after following these steps exactly, please check your CapCut version. I'm using version 7.6.0. If your version is newer, I recommend finding version 7.6.0 or an earlier version online. Uninstall your current version, then reinstall an older one. Also, make sure automatic updates are disabled in CapCut to prevent losing the free export method after an update. One final important reminder. Before creating a compound clip, go back to the main page and duplicate your project first. Perform the export on the copy, so you can always return to the original project if adjustments are needed later. After exporting, your complete animated video is finished. That satisfying sense of accomplishment comes naturally. To wrap things up, character consistency comes from reference images. Lip sync is handled by the model itself, and we use a workaround to export videos from CapCut for free. All the AI tools used today, along with the supporting animation, Pipi's Forest Adventure, are linked in the video description below. If this helped, go ahead and like and subscribe to Decoding Everything. Seriously, it helps the channel more than you think. Also, take a minute to scroll through the channel. I've already uploaded a lot of stuff, and I bet there's at least one video that'll help you right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.